Hey fitness fans! Today we're comparing two top Apple Watch fitness apps that promise to make you train smarter, not harder. We've got Athlytic vs Eclipse Yourself. Both apps track your recovery, but which one is actually worth your money? Let's find out. What they do. Both apps turn your Apple Watch data into easy-to-read fitness insights. They look at your heart rate, sleep, and daily activity to tell you when to push hard and when to take it easy. Think of them as your personal fitness coach that lives on your rest. Athlytic focuses mainly on recovery scores and training load. It gives you a daily recovery percentage that says the same all day. Eclipse Yourself takes a broader approach, tracking three main areas: activity, recovery, and readiness. Key differences. Here is where things get interesting. Athlytic costs about $30 per year and specializes in heart rate zones and workout tracking. It's really good at showing your cardiovascular load and helping athletes avoid overtraining. Eclipse Yourself is newer and focuses on the whole picture of your health. It connects the dots between your activity, how well you recover, and how ready you are for the next workout. The app gives you three separate scores instead of just one recovery number. Both apps need an Apple Watch to work properly. They can't function without it. Pros and cons. Athlytic wins on simplicity and proven track record. It's been around longer and has a clean, straightforward design. The recovery score is easy to understand and the workout tracking is solid. Eclipse Yourself offers more detailed insights but might feel overwhelming for beginners. It gives you more data points to consider, which can be helpful for serious athletes but confusing for casual users. Verdict. If you want simple recovery tracking and don't mind paying yearly, go with Athlytic. If you prefer detailed health insights and want to see the bigger picture of your fitness, Eclipse Yourself might be your pick. Both are solid choices for Apple Watch users who want to train smarter. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.